Human digestive systems intro, gastrointestinal tract and accessory organs of digestion makes the human digestive system. What is digestion? Digestion involves the breakdown of food into smaller and smaller components until they can be absorbed and assimilated into the body. The cephalic phase, the gastric phase and the intestinal phase are three stages of the gastrointestinal tract of digestion. In first one, cephalic phase, digestion begins with gastric secretions in response to the sight and smell of food. This stage includes the chemical breakdown of food by chewing and the chemical breakdown by digestive enzymes that takes place in the mouth. In chemical breakdown, as we know that saliva contains digestive enzymes known as amylase and lipase that are secreted by salivary glands and serous glands on the tongue. These enzymes help to break down the food in the mouth. In chemical breakdown of food starts by chewing, in which the food is mixed with saliva. This produces a bolus which can be swallowed down the esophagus, then enter into the stomach. Second one is the gastric phase, which starts in the stomach. Here the food is further broken down by mixing with gastric acid until it passes into duodenum, which is the first part of the small intestine. So from duodenum, third phase, the intestinal phase starts, where partially digested food is mixed with a number of enzymes produced by pancreas. Digestion is helped by the chewing of food carried out by the muscles of mastication, the tongue, the teeth, and also by the contractions of peristalsis and segmentation. Gastric acid and production of mucus in the stomach are essentials for the continuation of digestion. Peristalsis is rhythmic contraction of muscles that begins in the esophagus and continues along the wall of the stomach and the rest of the gastrointestinal tract. This initially results in the production of chyme, which when fully broken down in the small intestine is absorbed as chyle into the lymphatic system. Mean food which we eat when fully break down is absorbed as chyle into the lymphatic system. Most of the digestion of food takes place in the small intestine. Water and some minerals are reabsorbed back into the blood in the colon of the large intestine. The waste products of digestion, known as the feces, are defecated from the anus through the rectum. Second one is the accessory digestive organs of digestive system of human. There are several organs and other components involved in this process. Organs that known as accessory digestive organs are liver, gallbladder and pancreas, while mouth, salivary glands, tongue, teeth and epiglottis are also other components. The largest structure of digestive system is known as the gastrointestinal tract. This starts at the mouth and ends at the anus, covering a distance of about 9 meters. And the largest part of GI tract is the colon or large intestine. Water is absorbed here and the remaining waste matter is stored prior to defecation. Most of the digestion of food takes place in the small intestine, which is the longest part of GI tract. Major digestive organ is the stomach. Within its mucosa are millions of embedded gastric glands. Their secretions are vital to the functioning of organ. There are many specialized cells of GI tract. These includes gastric glands, taste cells, pancreatic duct cells, enterocytes and microfold cells. Some part of digestive systems are also part of excretory system, including the large intestine. Muscles of mastication, segmentation in digestion, largest structure of the digestive system and longest part of the GI tract are the terms to be solved out by the students. Term asked in previous lecture, which was the introduction of nervous system, was neuroscience, multiple sclerosis and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Neuroscience is a science of multidiscipline that combines physiology, anatomy, molecular biology, developmental biology, cytology, computer science and mathematical modeling to understand the fundamental and emergent properties of neurons and neural circuits. We can say that it's scientific study of nervous system. In multiple sclerosis, which is also known as the encephalomyelitis disseminata, which is demyelinating disease, demyelinating, it damaged the nerve cells in the brain and spinal cords. Neurodegenerative neuromuscular disease is amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, which results in the progressive loss of motor neurons that control the voluntary muscles. Question regarding this intro lecture can be asked through comment section, and thank you.